What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Beats, and today I got a special guest. We got Lollipop on the channel. We're finna cook up like a really dark beat, and like I love to make these dark beats, and she loves to make them as well, so it's like perfect combo. So let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. Hey, that's cold. Let's just add a counter melody to this. I low-key fuck with this. Yeah, that's hard. Alright, let's render everything out and structure the melody. Alright, that was a melody. We rendered everything out, and let's just pitch this, see if this is more fire. I love how it turned out. I'm gonna bounce it over to Lollipop and see what she can make with the melody. Let's get it.
Thank you for having me on the channel, Skarna. I've watched your videos for quite a while now, so it's fire to collab. And let's get started on this beat. The melody's sounding fire so far, so let's see what I can make. The melody's already sounding fire, it's sounding full. I usually like to keep things simple, but I'm just gonna add one or two more things. Maybe not piano. Hard. We're getting like a dark metro kind of like nav kind of beat, I don't know. I don't want to make the drums too much, so I'm just going to add like some background low hi-hats. let's make it a bit more bouncy, I think. Let's make that like really reverby. I just jump straight to 808s. I just get too excited and I'm like, I'll just make changes after. Like, I need to get the vibe of it, you know. Try not to use the spins because I just use the spins every time. I can't really tell what sounds better. I think in the verses and chorus I'll switch the 808. Just love that dark sound. I'm going to change that sound out. I still use flex only for this one sound. Haunting Hour. Just an ambient, nice sound. Okay, let's do the second 808. Sounding fire. I'm just going to arrange it now and then see if I want to add in anything. I'm like proper simple with how I arrange it. Just have before the verse just a little break there, 808 switch. Well, here's the finished beat. Let me know what you guys think. Skana, I hope you like it. I hope I've done your melody justice. Let's listen one more time from the start. I think I can hear definitely Nav, Future, maybe even Travis Scott. Well, that's the beat. I hope you like it. And thank you again, Skana, for having me on the channel. It's been fun. And yeah.